Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the opacity of your picture on the Pixelcut application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then click on the create button down below, then tap on camera at the top and take a picture with your phone. Then click on use photo down below, tap on open in editor at the bottom of the screen. After that you should tap on the picture at the top, slide to the right side until you find the opacity button, so click on it. And then you can adjust the opacity on this slide, so here you can see how it changes, and if you are done with it, click on the check mark icon in the middle of the screen on the right side, and then you will be able to save your picture. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.